Hello guys, and this time we're gonna be continuing with the stock engine and a big turbo. Right now I put the whole front on it. um, it's almost everything set up. I'm just missing a couple stuff like the spark plugs, the fuel line, putting oil. I'm gonna be adding water for now because I wanna check everything. I wanna tell you guys about some stuff. This is the IEM oil gauge plug. On this one it broke, so I bought this one from Amazon. It costs like $30, something like that. This is 1/8 with 27 MPT, and it holds 150 psi. It works on an AEM. Another thing that I want to talk to you guys about is the the spark plugs. On my car, it has to be a 22 gauge on it for the spark, because the car it got a tune on it, so it has to be like that. And I want to talk about this. This is a kind of like a universal oil filter, but you can reuse it. This is metal, and this is a good thing to buy. It costs a lot, but it's good to have it. It's reusable, like I said, and you can put it just back in, unlock it, and that's it. If you guys want to get information about this one, this is a M20 for times 1.5, and it fits in a Hyundai car. This is from Honda, but it works in Hyundais. In these oils, I'm gonna be mixing this one with the Rotella. I'm gonna do half and half. The reason is that I'm doing this, it's just that I'm used to it, doing it like this. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to use a regular oil or this one, but this one is too heavy. That's how the oil filter looks like. It's right there. Already everything is put back in. Now I'm gonna be checking for fuel leaks. So over here I got a leak. I need to fix that. Over here I don't have nothing. Okay, that's fixed already. I'm gonna be checking this it's leaking over here.
Sí. Por el lado de allá.
So right now I'm checking a couple stuff. I'm leaking oil, so I'm trying to figure out. Let me figure out all those little problems, and we'll continue with the video. So we're back. I already fixed the problem of the leaking oil. We bleed the clutch. We're gonna be starting the engine and to see how it's running and how it sounds.
¿A cuánto fue subir la presión?
44.
Ok.
Tienes que esperar que coja temperatura un poco.
No está bien.
No está bien que.
Que puede acelerarlo un poco.
A veces relaje antes de que el agua te caiga encima.
Sí. Voy poco a poco acelerando a ver cuánto.
¿Dónde estás?
Aquí.
¿Ah? ¿Sabes dónde está el sonido?
Del escape en los inyectores.
All right, guys. I don't know if you guys hear it. It's a couple weird sounds. We already know what it is. It's a fuel injector. It got like a O-ring, and that O-ring has to be replaced. That's why it sounds so weird like that. So we're gonna be fixing that, and when we fix it, I will continue with the video. We're back. We already fixed a couple issues that I had. One of them, it was the muffler. The other one, it was the fuel rail in the bottom of the intake that was leaking. It was another leak of oil, which I already fixed. I didn't put them in the video because it's kind of pointless to try to track where it's coming from. But we're gonna start it now, so you guys continue hearing it. So right now, that big clamp basically it's damaged, so I need to order another one.